A fast-moving Derecho storm raced across 10 states on August 10th, with wind speeds reaching up to 123 miles per hour. It devastated everything in its path for approximately 600 miles. Essentially, it was a 40-mile wide tornado, with all the wind going in one direction. This is more than a local or state disaster. This is a national disaster. We are heading to Iowa to join our Canary tree service team, who are already on the ground in the Cedar Rapids area.
Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line, with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. We'll be remembered for this. To tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight.